Imagine a space where flawless craftsmanship meets absolute luxury. For over 29 years, Sagist Group has been transforming visionary ideas into breathtaking realities. Whether it is a prestigious five-star hotel, a bespoke luxury villa, an exclusive restaurant, or a high-end corporate headquarters, we are the world's premier turnkey solution partner. From the initial concept to the final masterful installation, our custom-made furniture and architectural detailing breathe life into the globe's most magnificent projects. We don't just design interiors, we craft enduring legacies. When you demand unparalleled elegance, durable contract-quality production, and a seamless world-class execution, Sagist Group stands alone. Experience the absolute pinnacle of custom manufacturing and complete project coordination. Step into the extraordinary. Let us build your masterpiece.
Sagist Group, more than luxury.
More than just furnishing a luxury villa, we transform your dream paradise into a breathtaking reality. This challenging process requires meticulous attention. Every detail and space is expertly planned by our teams, ensuring it is luxurious, on-trend, and perfectly manufacturable. It's a labor of love, a perfect joy born from intense dedication. Sagist Group Luxury, more than the best.
Sagist Group, more than luxury.